Namaskar friends, welcome to Easy Peasy Hindi. Friends, today we will learn the names of flowers in Hindi. Flowers is known as phool in Hindi, phool, phool or pushp in Hindi. So push and then we join a P to it, so it becomes pushp. And friends, as we learned in the previous video, all flowers are considered masculine words, and therefore when we refer to any flower, say gulab ka fool, then we will say gulab ka fool because it's a masculine word. Now let's begin with the name of the national flower of India, lotus. Lotus is known as kamal, kamal in Hindi. Rose. Rose is known as gulab, gulab in Hindi. Jasmine. Jasmine is known as chameli, chameli in Hindi. Daisy. Daisy is known as gulbahar, gulbahar in Hindi. Hibiscus. Hibiscus is known as gudhal, gudhal in Hindi. Yellow oleander. It is known as kaner, kaner in Hindi. Periwinkle. Periwinkle is known as sadabahar, sadabahar in Hindi. Sadabahar basically means evergreen, a flower that you can find almost throughout the year. Cobra's saffron is known as Nag Champa, Nag Champa in Hindi. Marigold. Marigold is known as Gende ka phool. So here the pronunciation of D is not D but the, as in the case of THE, the or them or then. So not Gende ka phool but Gende ka phool. Gende ka phool. Gende ka phool. Magnolia. Magnolia is known as Champa, Champa in Hindi. Sunflower. Sunflower is known as Suraj Mukhi. Now friends, we know that the sunflower always faces the sun. So Suraj means sun and Mukhi means to have the face. So a flower whose face is always towards the sun is sunflower, and that is what it means in Hindi. Suraj Mukhi, Suraj Mukhi. Lily. Lily is known as Kumudini in Hindi. Kumudini. Kumudini. Kumudini in Hindi. Night jasmine is known as Parijat or Raat ki Rani. There are two words for the same flower, Parijat, Parijat or Raat ki Rani, Raat ki Rani. Crossandra is known as a boli in Hindi. Tulips. Tulips are known as Kand Pushp in Hindi. Golden shower. Golden showers are known as Amaltas in Hindi. Chandramalika is known as Chandramalika only because it's a flower, as far as I know, doesn't have a separate English name for it. Blue water lily is known as Neel Kamal. Neel Kamal. Shame plant or touch me not is known as Chui Mui. Chui Mui. And as you can see, the moment we rub our fingers on the leaves, they close. That is why they are known as touch me not or Chui Mui. Delonix regia is known as Gulmohar. Gulmohar. These are flowers of a very beautiful tree known as Gulmohar in Hindi, and the flowers are also known as Gulmohar ke phool or Gulmohar ka phool. Daffodils. Daffodils are known as Nargis in Hindi. Nargis. Nargis. Pandanus. Pandanus is known as Kevada. Kevada in Hindi. Poppy flower. Poppy flower is known as Khas Khas in Hindi. So it is not Khus Khus. The pronunciation of U is A. So that is why we say Khas Khas in Hindi. Prickly pear. Prickly pear is known as Nagfani. Nagfani or Nagfani in Hindi. These flowers grow on a cactus. Bougainvillea. Bougainvillea is known as bougainville in Hindi. Bougainville. Brahmakamals are known as Brahmakamal in Hindi. Tuberose is known as Rajani Gandha. So tuberose is known as Rajani Gandha. Bluebells. Bluebells are known as Neela Phool. Blue means Neela. Neela is the word for blue in Hindi. So bluebells is known as Neela Phool. Ashok flower is known as Sita Ashok. Sita Ashok, or sometimes it is also known as Ashoka Phool. Blue fountain. Blue fountain is known as Bharangi in Hindi. Bharangi. Lilac is known as Bakain in Hindi. Bakain in Hindi. Primrose is known as Basanti Gulab in Hindi. Basanti Gulab in Hindi. Passion flower. Passion flower is known as Jhumka Lata. Jhumka Lata. Pansy. Pansy is known as Ban Phool in Hindi. Ban Phool. Dahlia. Dahlia is also known as Dahlia in Hindi. Hollyhock is known as Gul Khaira in Hindi. Gul Khaira. Jimson weed. Jimson weed is known as Dhatura in Hindi. Chinese honeysuckle. Chinese honeysuckle is known as Madhumalti in Hindi. So friends, I hope this video helped you learn the names of so many different flowers in Hindi, which will be helpful for you when you converse with people on a regular basis. I hope you like the video, friends. Thank you so much for your time. I'm really grateful for it. And I'll see you soon with another video. Till then, goodbye, take care, and बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद.